Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to not copy hidden cells on your worksheet on Microsoft Office Excel. So first open your worksheet or your Excel worksheet and follow these simple steps. Here I have this sort of range that uh, I want to paste it here. For example, if I'm clicking Control C and Control V, I will have the whole data uh, pasted. Now I'm going just to hide some columns like this and hide this one, and let's just click on escape. So if I paste again with only this one by a normal paste, I will have the same thing. So now we need to have some sort of uh, special pasting in uh, this worksheet. So we are going to select our uh, data or range of data, even if I have the hidden columns, and then I'm going to click Ctrl plus C, and for a shortcut you can just click on Alt and wait. So we need to select our data and click on Alt in semicolon, and as you can see it only selected the visible data, and then you are just going to click paste normal. uh, my bad, I didn't control C the data. So as I said, Alt and Control Alt and semicolon, and now I'm going to click Control plus C. So as you can see, only the visible data that are selected, and Control V. Or there is another option is by selecting the whole thing without doing the Alt and V and have a special paste. So I'm going to click on special paste and I will have only visible. So I have to search for uh, only visible values and click cancel. So I will have this one deleted, and I will go to the home and find go to special, find and select, go to special and have uh, visible cells only, like here, and okay, and Control C and Control V, and you will have your data pasted successfully without having selected the invisible cells. So this is how we do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.